Hey everyone, this week we've got a couple specialized Porsche 911s from GT Spirit. The first one is, say, about a 1989 3.2 Speedster. I think this is the second color that's been offered by GT Spirit. This is a pretty great looking car in my opinion. Before this, the only way I think you could get this body style Speedster was one of the first Maestos. I remember having this as a kid in maybe 1990-ish, 1991 by Maisto. And obviously that was a decent car for back then. Value-priced brand and die-cast opening parts, but, you know, this is to a higher level. The scale Fuchs, F-U-C-H-S, I think is how you spell Fuchs. These are very, very nicely done. You've got drilled rotors, which I don't remember if the real car has drilled rotors, but let's hope that it does. Paintwork actually on this one is very good. The silver with the red interior is very, very nice. This is car number 229 out of 600. The interior is actually very good. We actually have carpeting, which is not common on GT Spirits. I think maybe on their open top cars they go a little extra with detail because you can see it so clearly. Very happy with this one. I think I paid $75 plus shipping on eBay. Retail is, I think, $129-ish. And like I say, at that price, I'm not mad at it. Second car, well, there's typical GT Spirit. It kind of doesn't sit perfectly flat and, you know, doesn't roll very well. You kind of have to break the wheels free. I noticed that on a lot of my resins, my autos, and my GT Spirits. But what can you do about it? Second car is, I'd say, 74 to 76-ish, somewhere in there. This is a 2.7 S Targa. This is another one where I kind of fell in love with the color. I don't know the name of the color, but it's very, very metallic, and it's very, very well executed. It's very even. Metallic paints in scale can be a little choppy looking. The metallic pigment can look a little out of scale, but this is very good. Again, the interior is very well executed. Again, with carpeting, both these are pretty new releases. I like even on the rear parcel shelf, you can see it's painted a matte black, but the little detail handles and whatnot and hardware are gloss, so they actually pop. Very, very nice detail. Wheels, again, are very good. Turn it over, and this is car number 545 out of 999. This was purchased for $79 free shipping on eBay, which I thought was very good for not having to bid on it. Very nice detail again. That's an open grill, which I always appreciate. And I don't know that anyone else is doing Targa subject matter like that of an early 911, early-ish 911. So those two make sense to be put together. Packaging, very, very boring. Both are the new GT Spirit black box that just has one image of the car on it, and then just a basic styro insert. So yeah, same boxes, nothing interesting there. That's how you can tell the newest GT Spirit cars, the black boxes. So that's it for this week. Tune in next week. Keep doing pairs until I start running out. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.